I'm Richard Hayes, co-founder of Beverley Motorworks, alongside with Alan Lewis, established in September 2010. Ability to service, maintain, repair BMWs and Minis and any other prestigious marques. We're part of the Good Garage scheme, which gives us the ability to carry out work to industry standard. It gives customers a faith in the business. It's very important that we were transparent in the work that we did. We explain the bills to them, they feel comfortable, they trust us. And that's the biggest thing that we found, that customers didn't have a great deal of trust in the motor trade. So if we can speak to customers, itemise the bills for them, give them some belief in actually the work that we're carrying out. The reason that we've been so successful is we can offer the same main dealer experience for, on average, 50% cheaper than what they charge. We use either original equipment part or matching quality, which will never invalidate the warranty. It's very important to us that we're using the correct oils, the correct parts, and that it's done exactly how they would expect at a dealership, but look after them at the same time. If people say, I need to bring my car in at 7:30, we'll be here at 7:30. If they want to drop it off on a Sunday afternoon, I'll come with me and be able to drop it off. So the flexibility that we can offer is second to none. Beverley Motorworks is Alan Lewis and Richard Hayes, that's what we do. And we stand by that, that's our name above the door. And anything that goes out, we back it up 100%.